AI mothership drones are becoming one of the most important military technologies, and China is building some of the largest systems in this field. Military aviation is changing quickly because unmanned aircraft can now do many tasks that once required several different planes and pilots. Large drones are beginning to act like flying command centers. These systems can carry sensors, guide smaller drones, and support missions across long distances. China has invested heavily in this idea because it allows a single aircraft to extend military reach while reducing risk to human pilots. The focus is no longer on individual drones. The focus is on networks, where one large platform manages several smaller systems at the same time. China's CH-7 Rainbow is one of the clearest examples of this new direction. The aircraft uses a flying wing design similar to stealth bombers. Its wingspan is around 22 meters, which makes it far larger than most drones used for surveillance. The design focuses on stealth and long-range missions. Analysts believe the CH-7 can carry several tons of equipment that may include weapons, surveillance systems, or electronic warfare tools. The important part is how the aircraft fits into larger drone operations. A platform like this can guide other drones while also performing its own mission tasks. Chinese defense exhibitions have shown models of the CH-7 as part of the country's expanding unmanned aviation program. These displays are meant to show that China is serious about autonomous warfare systems. The CH-7 is designed to operate deep inside defended airspace, where radar detection becomes harder. A stealth drone with this range can gather intelligence or strike targets while also acting as a relay for other unmanned aircraft. That makes it closer to a command drone than a simple strike platform. Another concept that appears in Chinese military discussions is the idea of a drone swarm. A swarm means many smaller drones working together under the control of a larger system. The larger aircraft can release drones that perform different roles. Some drones gather information, others interfere with radar signals, some may carry small weapons. When many drones operate together, they create pressure on air defenses because each target must be tracked and intercepted. That approach relies on coordination, which is where a mothership-style drone becomes useful. China has already demonstrated experiments with swarm drones launched from ground vehicles and aircraft. These demonstrations showed dozens of small drones flying in formation and responding to commands from central control systems.
并离目标越来越近，我们看一下能否打中。
The technology relies on artificial intelligence to help manage the movement of multiple aircraft. Human operators still supervise the mission, though automated systems help coordinate flight patterns and communication between drones. Large unmanned aircraft are important for swarm operations because they provide range and endurance. Smaller drones usually have limited battery life and cannot travel long distances on their own. A mothership platform solves that problem. The larger aircraft carries the drones closer to the mission area and then releases them when needed. After that, the drones can spread across the target area and perform different tasks while staying connected to the main control system. China's investment in unmanned systems has grown steadily during the past decade. The country has still built several drone families, such as the Wing Loon and the CH series. These aircraft originally focused on surveillance and strike missions. Newer designs now emphasize networking and coordination. Military planners understand that information and communication are becoming as important as firepower. A drone that can guide other drones adds another layer of capability to the battlefield. The CH-7 also represents China's attempt to compete with advanced stealth systems developed in the United States and Europe. Stealth technology reduces the chance of radar detection by shaping the aircraft in ways that scatter radar signals. When stealth combines with long-range communication systems, the drone can move through contested airspace while still sharing data with other platforms. That ability matters because modern operations depend on fast information sharing between aircraft, satellites, and command centers. The idea of drone motherships is not limited to China. several countries are developing similar systems because the benefits are clear. The United States has worked on programs that allow large aircraft to deploy and recover smaller drones during flight. The DARPA Gremlins program tested this concept by launching small drones from a cargo plane and later retrieving them in mid-air.
Release. There she goes.
These experiments showed that reusable drones could reduce operational costs and extend mission flexibility. Australia has also joined the effort through the MQ-28 Ghostbat project. Boeing developed this aircraft to operate alongside fighter jets as part of a loyal wingman system. The drone supports pilots by scouting ahead, carrying sensors, and sharing battlefield information. This approach shows how unmanned systems can work with human pilots rather than replacing them completely. A collaborative model allows commanders to use drones for high-risk tasks, while human crews remain in safer positions. Israel has focused heavily on long-endurance unmanned aircraft, such as the Heron TP. This drone can remain airborne for more than 30 hours and carry a large payload of sensors and communication equipment. A system that stays in the air for that long becomes extremely valuable for surveillance and coordination. It can monitor a region for an entire day while directing other assets and collecting intelligence. The United States also operates the RQ-4 Global Hawk, a very large surveillance drone designed to monitor wide areas from high altitude. This aircraft can stay airborne for more than 30 hours and observe large sections of terrain using advanced radar and imaging systems. Platforms like this provide the information layer of modern warfare. They track movement, observe changes, and pass data to other systems that may perform the actual strike missions. China studies these international developments carefully. Military modernization programs often compare foreign technology and adapt useful ideas to domestic systems. China's researchers have published studies discussing swarm control, artificial intelligence coordination, and long-range unmanned operations. These studies show that the country views drone warfare as a central part of future military strategy. One reason unmanned systems are growing quickly is the improvement of artificial intelligence tools. AI helps drones process information faster and respond to changing conditions. Navigation systems can analyze terrain and avoid obstacles. Communication networks can allow drones to share sensor data with each other. That makes coordinated flight easier when several drones operate together in one mission. Despite these advances, drone mothership systems still face technical challenges. Communication links must remain secure and stable across long distances. Electronic warfare can disrupt signals between drones and operators. Engineers must also manage the complexity of controlling many aircraft at once. Artificial intelligence assists with coordination, yet human supervision remains important for decision-making and safety. China continues to test and refine its unmanned aircraft as part of its long-term military modernization program. The country's defense industry invests in stealth technology, artificial intelligence, and long-range sensors. Each improvement strengthens the ability of unmanned platforms to perform complex missions without direct human control during every moment of flight. The growth of drone mothership technology shows how military strategy is adapting to new tools. Instead of relying only on large numbers of traditional aircraft, commanders can combine several unmanned systems into one network. A large drone carries smaller drones, sensors, and communication equipment. Together they form a flexible system that can observe, coordinate, and strike when required. China's CH-7 and related projects demonstrate how seriously the country views this shift. These programs aim to expand operational reach while lowering the risk faced by pilots and crews. The same trend appears in many other countries, which means unmanned coordination systems will likely become more common during the next decade. AI mothership drones represent a new stage in military aviation, where large unmanned platforms guide smaller systems and extend the reach of modern air power.